Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And welcome to our 12 days of Christmas treats.
We're going to be sharing a different treat every day for 12 days. And with each of those treats, you'll be able to find them typed or linked down in the description.
All right, let's get to it.
On this recipe, we need 1 egg white, so we got our egg white in here, and we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to beat that. We're just looking for it to look frothy. Okay, so we're going to take our almonds. We're supposed to put 2 cups in there, but I only have a little bit left in here, so I'm going to add all 14 ounces of it. Okay, looks pretty good. We just want to coat it. We want 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, but I have pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to go with that. 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I want it to be a really healthy recipe, so I'm using coconut sugar, which can be used in place of white sugar at any time. So we're going to mix that around. Now we're going to sprinkle it here on top of our almonds. And then we're going to toss that to coat it. Okay, we're going to put this on this pan. I've got parchment paper on it. It's said to use aluminum foil, but I think parchment paper should work just fine. And it, doesn't stick and all that good stuff. Okay, and then we're going to spread these out so that it'll be an even layer. Okay, so basically we got that laid out enough, and we're going to put this in the oven on 275 degrees for about 25 minutes on the middle oven rack, and then we're going to go from there. We'll have one more time that we turn it after that, and I'll show you that then. So I just took it out of the oven. It's been 25 minutes, and what we do now is we just are going to take a spatula, flip those over, and put them back in for 15 more minutes. Okay, so you could always put it in a container like this, just as one gift, but that wouldn't be very frugal if that wouldn't be a very frugal gift. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to put them in these little bags here, and I'm going to show you one as an example. If you want to keep this as a snack for yourself, there's about 8 servings in here, about 23 almonds in each one. Okay. So, you got your little bag here. You could get like maybe some red ribbon or something like that, and put on it. We're just going to do this little tie to make the example. But yeah, if you had some red ribbon, I have some red ribbon in a box somewhere. I could have done that. And it's a nice little gift. And that would be one for one person. How many do you think we'd get out of that?
I don't know. 5 or 6?
5 or 6? So we will put on the screen how much it would cost us to make 5 or 6 gifts out of this. Or we'll say 5, just to be on the conservative side. Mm-hmm. And how much it cost us and how much it would cost us for each individual gift if we got 5 out of it.
So thanks for joining us for the 12 Days of Christmas Treats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content from us. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what Christmas treats you're doing, or if you tried one of our recipes, let us know how it went in the comments. So for the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.